Hey, welcome to the Shivans Club series episode 1, and I just started this today. So every Monday I will gonna post Shivans Club series episode where I will talk about Instagram growth related videos totally free, and you will love this. And if you want me to cover up like if any question, just drop in the comment section. And in the Shivans Club series we always have a new bestie in the background. She's Barbie. Yes, she's Barbie. So okay, let's get back on the topic. So today's episode 1 series episode topic is how many times you need to post on your Instagram. Like how many times, what is best? So the number one thing is on your Instagram, make sure you have a clear goal. Why are you using Instagram? Or if you're using Instagram for your business, what is your goal? To getting visibility, to building your authority, to getting leads, to getting sale. What is your goal for being on Instagram? Once you specify your goal, you can do all of your activities, because like don't copy and paste other people's strategies because like they all have a like different system, different business. And maybe if they are posting daily, or if they are posting like 4 times in a day, because like they have hired someone, social media manager, Instagram manager, they have like content designer, graphic designer. So like, but if you're a solopreneur, it will be like overwhelming to post 4 times, 5 times in a day, and like all that. So make sure you set your priority, what's your goal, and work according to that. So if you are whole new on Instagram, so I will say the more post consistently or like daily as starting at this point, if you're just starting whole scratch from Instagram. And or maybe you can set out time, like what is working best for you. You can test out like posting 3 times a week, or like 1 time a week, where you don't feel burnout, because Instagram growth is a long term game. No matter what, how many reels you watch, or people say I have grown my Instagram account within 10 days to 15k, 10k follower, 50k, 60k, 70k, I don't care about that. Instagram growth is a long term game, and we are here for long term game, creating a long term business, a memorable business. So make sure you set a schedule where you're very flexible. Maybe right now you are busy like something, so you have decided that you're going to post 2 times a week, Monday or Thursday. But after the 1 month you say like, oh, I have time, I can work on this, and I want to post, you can do that. It's totally perfect what is best for you, and you don't feel burned on that. Personally for me, I post 3 times a week. And yeah, like set your schedule. You don't need to post daily. I'm not the person who will say post daily. You don't need to post daily. Maybe just set a schedule, be consistent on that posting schedule, posting like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or whatever is your schedule, like 1 time a week, 2 time a week. And be consistent, post daily on story. You don't need to post daily on your feed, but make sure you stay very active on Instagram stories, because Instagram story where your community nurture, where you build build trust, like showcase you behind the scenes of your business, what is working, or like personal life, showcasing your offer, selling your offer. And story, Instagram story is a place also where you can sell your offers daily. You can post anything, doesn't need to be on your branded color, anything. So make sure you take the advantage of Instagram stories. And if you want to learn how to sell your offers through Instagram stories and want like 150 plus story ideas, I have something for you. Check out, link is in the description. So now you have got this, and so you have set your schedule. What is your posting schedule? Let me know in the comment section. What is your like posting schedule? Is it like Monday, Wednesday, Friday? Only 1 time a week, 2 time a week? What is working best for you? Do that. And by posting consistently, I never mean that posting daily. Make sure you post consistently. Is that like if you decided I'm gonna post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you are doing that. You're very consistent on that, on your schedule, because like it will works best for you. And people will ask me like, she's posting, oh I will follow her, she's posting quality content. And don't post for just post. Don't post like you did the Wednesday came, you have no content ideas, you have nothing, so you have just posted any quote or just random things, or copy pasting other people content, just like, okay, I just posted for today, today's checklist done, okay, I posted. No, never ever, don't do this. Don't post just for posting's sake. Make sure you're posting quality content. Whatever by mean quality, teaching your audience, telling like serving your audience, like make sure whatever industry you are, what is your goal, what kind of clients you want to attract, what kind of audience you want to build, make sure you're posting quality content regarding there. Either on Carousel, what is working best for you, and you can set your schedule according to that and post according to this. So let me know if you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions regarding Instagram, just let me know in the comment section and I will answer to you. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like this video. Bye bye.